Today we're making the 3 dots and a dash, which has been downgraded to the 2 dots and the deep-throated dash. Yeah.
Keep going.
That's it. That's all I got.
That's it. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That, my friends, that's Ian Andrews. You've probably seen him before. He's doing words. He's sign language now. What the fuck? This...
Better than that creepy smile he did.
Better than the creepy smile.
That's better with a hat.
Today, we're going to create for you what is known as 3 dots and a dash. We've never done this recipe, and I'm very surprised.
But it's well known.
Yep, I tripped over it on rumdude.com when I was looking unrelated stuff. I'm going to give you the recipe breakdown right ahead, because then we can go into some detailed history and cool shit. So, it starts out, here's the breakdown. It's 1.5 ounces of amber Mauritian rum.
If you're ever looking for it, you can get Maison Guyana rum.
Yep. A half ounce of Demerara rum, a half ounce of lime juice, a half ounce of orange juice, a half ounce of honey mix, a 1/4 ounce of falernum, a 1/4 ounce of pimento dram, also known as allspice liqueur, 6 ounces of roughly crushed ice. Blended.
Martinique, not Mauritian.
Did I say? It says Mauritian right there.
It says Martinician.
Oh yeah, I don't know what the fuck that word is. Amber Martinician rum. Okay, that should be Martinique. I don't know what it says. I shouldn't have copied and pasted directly, but it's an agricole. A rum agricole is going to be different than standard rum. Standard rum is typically a blend of molasses and sugar to create a very flavorful experience. An agricole is a pressed sugar cane. It's very green. It's very organic flavor. Kind of, it's just
funky.
different. It's funky. It's different than a standard rum.
Funky.
Why the fuck is shit keep falling? Sorry, I've had a really rough time getting this run ready.
We got our shit together on this cocktail, let me tell you.
We're good. So here's the deal. 3 dots and a dash is, you can get this out of the Sippin' Safari recipe book by Jeff Beachcomber. We've met Jeff. We shook his hand on the way out of
Very
Latitude.
pleasant gentleman, I will say that.
He makes awesome drinks.
He makes awesome drinks.
Some of them are quite potent.
And he did not make this drink specifically. He's built this drink based on the design from Donn the Beachcomber. Donn Beach, known for kind of basically inventing Tiki. If you want to know more, there's a video up here about the founders of cocktails and where I covered Donn Beach. I also covered Trader Vic in that episode along with other people. Some other things to know about this. 3 dots and a dash is Morse code for V, for victory. So you can see this used in such places as World War II. Let him do that for a little bit. You'll also notice that in the 60s we used the peace sign. The peace sign is actually a V for victory, which is also Morse code for 3 dots and a dash.
Oh, look at that. And we're going to put some dots and dashes in this shit.
We'll do that in a second. Ready?
Yep, go.
Hold on a second.
There's still some chunks in there.
I know, but for some reason I thought it was a 5-second. No, it just says blend at high speed for 5 seconds.
It hasn't killed that ice for some reason.
Oh. It's probably because it's not a real blender.
Oh, it's good now.
I don't have the real blender pieces. I just did a small one since we're only making one drink. So it's about a 5-second blend if you have a crazy ass blender, or if you're doing them in large quantities with, like, the Ninja has like all these attachments and shit.
You got the right glass.
I did. I'm so fucking on point. So this recipe's garnish for 3 dots and a dash is 3 maraschino cherries. No, you gotta put it across.
God damn it.
Because it's the dash.
Like
Don't spill my only drink we have. That would be very bad. Because we have to do it. No!
The dots have to go across.
Yes! Oh my god!
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Did you want to lick it first? So this is how the garnish is supposed to look. I don't know how does this fit on the camera?
It's supposed to be pre-wet.
You can adjust it if need be. So the 3 dots and a dash is 3 maraschino cherries, or you could use those cheesy red ones if you want to. Oh yeah, you could toss that in. If you want to, for bonus points, you could put in some of your pineapple spears. Did you see the pineapple spear in there? Is it freaking sexy? So you get your 3 maraschino cherries and a dash, which is a spear of pineapple. Now, if you want to just like do whatever with it, you can. That's a sexy drink right there. Now, straw it up. Here we go. Ready? I got ice stuck in my straw.
Yeah, that happens sometimes in the morning.
So, apparently Donn Beach created this drink because GIs were coming back from Europe in the Pacific at the end of World War II. Donn Beach created this drink to commemorate the Allied victory. The name, Morse code for V, V for victory, 3 dots and a dash. Boom, history is made. This drink contains a big, for whatever reason, a big boatload of clove. And that's only a 1/4 ounce of falernum. And falernum's core property is clove.
Colorado, too.
1/4 ounce of allspice trim.
Okay. There's
Yeah,
also
allspice.
so allspice and the falernum together bring both pretty big explosions of clove. So you're getting clove, you get that like rich Demerara flavor. What are you doing?
That's all I was drinking. Dumping the ice.
He's just gonna clean up. Did you try this?
That's good. It's good tiki.
It's got a little bit of citrus, a nice bite of lime. The Mauritian rum actually does come through, but it's because you get that like
It's 2 dots and a dash and F. Is that rude to do?
and an F.
V for victory, F for fuck off.
I don't know what the Morse code for fuck off is, but I think we need a bigger garnish.
I'm just curious if anybody knows what an F is in Morse code.
D. Oh, yeah, it's probably, I can't D. I fucking no clue. It's good.
3 dots is a S. 3 dashes is
Oh yeah, because SOS is D.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's good.
See, we're fucking.
You're welcome,
Morse code.
guys.
So when the zombie apocalypse happens, me and Ian are gonna only know how to do 2 things. We're either gonna tell you how great we did against the zombies,
Yeah.
or that we need help.
Right.
Sorry.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. Or it's gonna be a very short call.
I got a knife. I'm good.
It doesn't taste like rum. I guess there's a little bit of like the Martinique rum.
Is there funkiness in there?
Yeah. A little bit of funkiness. The clove is pretty potent.
You can give me a frozen drink. I'm going to drink it probably.
It doesn't matter what it is. It
Just
can be
saying.
frozen pea and I'll drink it.
It doesn't have.
You
It's,
put the right balance of sweet and sour in that thing, and I'll make some more pea.
it's only 2 ounces of rum in a blended drink. Well, I guess that's plus you get the dram. But it's good. It's good. It's got a little dryness to it, but it's sweet at the same time. It's got that. You need to like clove because there's clove presence
There's
in
some
here.
clove in there.
Boom. Clove.
So, Donn Beach
Yep.
was Donn Beach
Yep.
was a West Coast guy.
Yep.
So when
Hollywood.
People, so when people were coming from the Japanese theater of war, that's what he
Pacific,
was
yeah.
making, yeah.
Hawaii.
Pacific theater, yeah.
Pearl Harbor area.
That's who he was making the drinks for after V-Day.
Yeah. Anybody who can. I mean, I guess you. It depends. I don't know where. I guess everybody kind of came. If you're from the, I would guess in the German area, Europe area, you would come in. I don't know where you'd go. You come in probably North Carolina or something.
Oh.
I don't know. But my guess is wherever you were freaking stationed, you're gonna end up there anyway. Which might have been in that area where you could drink these type of drinks. And then drinks like this, ironically, you couldn't make this drink more than likely in a lot of different areas you went to because Donn Beach was pretty secretive about his recipes, putting like numbers and shit on them so that you didn't know you were drinking falernum. You were drinking this blend of stuff. Right. This is a crazy. This is like ginger, clove, rum. And
There's a
some
lot
other
of history to
stuff.
tiki drinks. It's
Yeah.
really interesting. There's books about it.
Yeah.
And there's
Right.
scholars that research this stuff.
Yeah, so you have people who try to recreate this. If I was to taste this, honestly, the only thing I could get is clove. I wouldn't know. If I knew where I am now, I'd know, oh, that's falernum. But I wouldn't know if I was a bartender at the time
He's eating your dash.
what it was. And you'd have to make it from what it tastes like when you left the bar. So Trader Vic used to visit Donn Beach's bars and drink the cocktails and go back to
And
Trader
try to make
Vic's,
them.
to Hinky Dinks and try and make a recipe that tasted similar to that until he came up with, his own drink. Mai Tai from Trader Vic's is fucking awesome.
Right.
The problem with Donn Beach is a lot of his cocktails, thankfully not in this one,
Sour.
use sour, grapefruit, bitter, or grapefruit as a component. With this drink doesn't. It has a lot more sweet. And
Where was the Nui Nui from? Whose was that again?
that was Donn Beach, I
Donn Beach.
believe it was. That was that was last month, right? Another good drink.
That was good.
I like to sneak the tiki's in there because I just want summer to be here. Or something that's not
And
fucking
they're
winter.
good. Tiki's are always good.
I know.
I'm a big fan of tiki.
100% of the time.
I don't know a lot about the tiki culture or anything. I just know I like the drinks. I think that's enough for most
Question
people.
of the day: do we need to do some sort of
flowers?
I like flowers that make your tongue go.
Oh, we could probably get some orchids and stuff.
Some jambu flowers.
Yeah,
you can get those. I'll get them.
He's like, he's on it. He's like, let's do this.
Funny, he didn't ask Donn Beach to trade for the recipe.
No, he didn't. No, but Trader Vic did trade for other things to get stuff for his restaurant. If you'd like to see more on Tiki, write your comments below. Question today: what is your take on Tiki? Do you feel like you have some sort of knowledge, or would you like Common Man Cocktails to provide you with some Tiki knowledge one of these months?
Nothing wrong with Tiki knowledge.
No, I like Tiki knowledge.
Didn't you do that before?
We had Party Hit.
We did. We usually do it like once a year.
We did a Tiki theme at. You know,
we could do some crazy Tiki stuff, like stuff we haven't done.
Don the Duns over there.
Yeah. We did in the recordings that we did.
In the greenhouse.
Yeah, I mean we could do Tiki drinks we haven't done. Well,
is it down the Daddy Dunn's place?
Tiki Virgin. See, now, I know Stephen hasn't got a lot of.
If you're looking to pop a cherry.
Anyway,
go to the right place.
You can always go to everydaydrinkers.com/tips if you want to /tip if you want to leave a tip, or you could go to patreon.com/CMC. TIP, not TIT.
Yep. Clarifying.
Chris Rodriguez is our executive producer. He went to patreon.com/CMC and donated the show, so he pays every month, gives us a little something, so we can keep making cocktails for you, because all this content for you is free. This was a lot of work. I spent probably 3 times as long making this episode just trying to find this bottle than anything else.
It was hilarious.
So show your support with at least liking and subscribing to the show. You can always use coupon code FEB18, that's FEB18 to save 18% off at awesomedrace.com all through February, right up until the beginning of March.
These things are fire.
She's a converted Luxardo cherry.
Fire! They're good.
Boom. See? Fire must be... I'm not a millennial.
It's a good thing.
Okay.
I don't think she is either.
I just wanted... that's my thing today.
Oh, okay.
It's just telling people, oh, you must be a millennial.
It's like Slay Queen.
What? Did I miss something? Was there an inside joke while I was getting shit?
Jen just got like 20 years younger.
Wow, Slay Queen? I don't even know what's going on right now. Anyway.
I didn't mean to say you were an old fart. I just didn't think you were a millennial generation, that's all.
Speaking of millennial generation, what you want to do is check out those videos on the sidebar, because millennials want to watch more stuff because they're unplugged.
That's what they do.
They got the YouTubes.
They got the...
So there's a whole playlist of YouTubes over there.
Yeah. Down
Down below, bartender starter kit, and everything you could possibly want at awesomedrace.com, available at your fingertips. Teach you how to drink.